What's up, guys? So it's a different time for a video, but we have something really awesome to show you.
We're super excited to share with you.
And it's something that my mom wanted for a long time.
A long time.
Long time.
Like, we know she's celebrating in heaven because she wanted this.
Yes.
It's kind of life-changing. Are we ready?
I think so.
We have a Cricut card man!
Yay!
Yay! So, what do we do with this, Alex?
You can put 4 cutaway or insert cards.
In 4 different sizes, which we'll go over soon.
Yes.
So, you can cut 4 cards, you can cut 4 of the same cards, you can cut 4 different cards. If you're making invitations, how cool. You can make 4 at a time.
It's going to be much
Wedding
quicker.
invitations, birthday invitations. If you're making Christmas cards, you can make 4 different designs at once. Like, life-changing for cards.
For sure.
So, we're pretty excited, so we're going to show you how to do this.
And let's show you what we're going to be making.
Yep, we're going to make 4 cards at once.
4
We're covering
cards.
mother and father all in one look. You can make it for 2 moms, 2 dads, all at the same time.
So all of these things here are going to fit on 2 mats. But it's 1 mat, and we're just moving the cards around.
Right, because we have 4 that are the fronts and then 4 that are the insides.
And we want to make sure that you know that these red little things here,
Which are like the guide, basically.
Yeah, you hide all of those. It says hide this layer in the panel. Make sure to hide the layers. And you hit 4 pre-folded cards on mat. Continue. Now, these are the sizes. So here, if you want to pause and take a screenshot, these are the sizes. Today, we are focusing on this size, the R20.
R is for rectangle, S is for square.
Yep. And so this looks kind of goofy, so we're going to go over here and hit R20. We're going to click on this one. So this is the mustache one, the queen bee.
A queen bee.
So what we're going to do is move the object to the other one, and it automatically puts it over there. Alright, so we need to look at this. So the mustache queen, colorful light bulb. So this one goes up here. Why can't we move this? There we go. Okay. Queen is up here, right? Is that right?
I think so.
Okay. You always brighten my day. Right? Yeah. So we're gonna start with this one. Do you have your... Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch, hold on, to overhead. Alright. So go ahead and...
We're going to show you guys first. You want to move your roller wheels. So you want all 4 of your roller wheels to be in the center, right down the center lane. You don't want them rolling over the sparkly, holographic, or any of that. Just go ahead and move these puppies, all 4 of them, right to the center there.
Nice.
Okay, so you guys are going to need to put the foil insert into the card. So you're going to peel off the sticker here. Now when you do this, make sure you're only peeling the backing, because you don't want to peel up the sticker too. So you're going to peel this off. You're going to turn this side down because we're going to cut through the front, so this is what is going to be showing. So we're going to put that through. So there we go. That's all ready. Then to put it in the mat, you are going to take and stick it. This, you want this side on the top. That way you can cut into your design. So you're going to tuck it in like this. You're just going to get it in there. Push it all the way up to the top and to the right.
You definitely want to make sure it's all the way to the top.
Yep. And then you're going to go ahead and close it down and push it down.
And for this part, I'm doing a voiceover so you don't have to watch the Cricut machine draw everything out. So here's a much quicker version of the machine using the pens and the markers. is so pretty. I wish it was also like always this fast. It'd be magical.
Right.
Unload.
There we go. There we go. All right, now these mats are going to be super sticky, so go ahead and get your big scraper. Go ahead and go under to get them out. Now we're going to have to do the inside still. All right, now when you're doing this, you want to make sure you're... Need to get it started with another one. I can't.
Yeah.
All right, you want to be really careful. Start up in the corners because your insert underneath is shiny, and if you nick it, you will see it.
If you use the shiny insert.
If you use the shiny insert. Woo. Use your fine little tweezies here.
Tweezies.
Tweezies. Go ahead and pick that up.
Can you hand me the other dentist tool, kind of like this one over there?
Yeah. This one.
Yeah, I don't like the extra little tilt.
The model mustaches. Now, you can, if you don't have an insert in the cutaway cards, but in your insert cards you have one, you can go ahead and use those same inserts that fit the same size, and that gives you a couple more options for the inside. Alright, so now we have our outside done. We needed to go ahead and we need to do the inside. So we are going to turn this inside out like this. And then you are going to stick it in. So, flip it inside out, and then this is our inside we want written on. So we're going to do the exact same thing. Go ahead and make sure they're in order like is on Design Space so you cut them in the right place. You don't want to put a Happy Mother's Day on the front and then inside says Happy Father's Day, Dad. So again, we're going up for the size up to here and then to the right. Seal it down again.
Yeah, the black as well.
Okay. What is it writing? Oh, that's mine, ain't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I think that looks good.
There we go. Take these off with the big scraper. There, careful.
It's not upside down. All right. Let's go to us over here. You want to bring the cards over?
There you go. So we did it, guys.
We did it. We
Four
cut
cards.
4 cards, 1 mat.
4 cards.
Then we flipped them inside out, and we did the insides.
That's right.
4 insides, 1 mat. Here's my Mother's Day. Amazing, loving, happy. Strong, happy. Less caring. You make my life more colorful.
We forgot. Okay, it's almost finished, but it's not because Dad is not weeded out. Dad! So we gotta weed out Dad. We left that in.
One.
I didn't. I know, and then I handed him over to you so I could do it. But anyway, here's Dad, and then in the side it says, I mustache you to have a great Father's Day. It's like a cheesy dad joke, you know? It's like cheesy jokes.
Dad, I love you a lot.
I love that. I love that.
Happy
It was so
Father's
cute.
Day, you always brighten my day.
I love you a lot. And then we have over here the metallic queen bee, and then inside it says Happy Mother's Day to the queen bee. So there we go, guys. 4 in 1. Awesome.
These will be
Exciting.
available
Like
individually
now.
right now. Yeah,
Right now.
for all of you.
We will have the link here that you can go purchase them from if you spend more than $50.
It's not purchase. Purchase what?
What?
You said purchase them from.
Yeah,
The mat.
So yeah.
Yeah.
You can't purchase these, you can purchase the mat.
Yeah, that's
So
why
we're
I was
gonna have
confused.
the
I'm like,
link.
we're not selling these.
No, we're not selling these. But you can go purchase the mat. They are on sale now. And if you spend more than $50, use code Melody Lane to get 10% off and free shipping.
Free shipping.
Those don't work on machines or mystery machines. I always say mystery machines.
Scooby Dooby Doo. Anyways.
Mystery boxes or machines, but go ahead and use that. So, thank you guys for joining us. This is super exciting. Life-changing for making cards.
It's, yeah.
4 in 1.
4 1.
4 in 1. We made
Words.
Mom and Dad times 2.
Yep.
So thank you guys for joining us. Go ahead and hit the subscribe and
Hit the like and the little bell to
A
get
little thumbs up.
notifications. Yeah.
all right, guys. Thanks for joining us. Happy crafting.
Doodles!